Hello everyone. This is Rashmi Vatal. You know my name by now, I guess you all do. So today I'm coming live to you very late, probably one of the latest live, the most late live that I have done in a long time. But I have some very special guests at home, so normally the day goes by, and then obviously kids and their activities. I was just about to finish a book and go to bed, and I realized that I haven't spoken to you guys today. So what I want to speak to you all about is being. Hi Rajiv, hi Edwina, hi Hamsa, hi Selva. Thanks for watching. So what I wanted to speak to you all about is a topic that's not very commonly talked about, and that's basically loneliness. Hi Simi, I'm good. How are you? Um, in an Australian context, it's quite common. Like some of the organizations or research studies call it social isolation. But for some of us, simply put, it's just loneliness, and it's a major cause of a lot and lots of diseases or or things like anxiety, depression, that we all are going through. It has a lot of impact on one's mental health as well. And it's not a very common topic that we talk about so much. It definitely needs a lot more attention than what it gets. So on the topic of loneliness, what I wanted to speak to you all about was that how do you tackle loneliness? So, I have two tips which I have learned through my 7 years of journey here in Australia. Tip number one is that if you know yourself, not just like, not just yourself, like, your name, what you do, what relationships you have, but your actual true self, then you are never lonely. But that's a little bit on the higher level, like like a divine or a spiritual level, that you are your own best friend, but you could also be your own worst critic. So for that, I have my second tip to fight loneliness, which is finding um, a social circle of influence, some friends, or which could be strangers to start with, a safe community to share your thoughts and ideas, and basically a safe place where there is no judgment. There is no judgment based on where you come from, what kind of language or accent do you have, um, what financial status do you have at the moment, uh, can you afford a big car or not. So basically, no judgment whatsoever, whether you have a job at the moment or you're looking for a job. Like, there's no judgment whatsoever. And that's my aim as well in my Facebook group, which is called Finding Your Inner Felicity by Rashmi Vatal. Felicity, for most of us, we know, but felicity means finding the utmost happiness. And if we look at it, basically, if we are not happy in our life, whatever is the reason, we were all born, when we were all babies, when we were all born, we were all happy. We didn't ask for permission to be happy. We didn't seek someone else to make us happy. We didn't we did not wait for something to happen to make us happy. So why not continue that in our journeys as we grow older? Still be happy in whatever we have, uh, whether there are people in our life that we want them to be there, or whether we have the materialistic things. But if we are at peace with ourselves. Hi Mohit, hi Vijay, hi Ella. Thanks for watching, guys. So if we have that inner happiness, that inner sense of peace, we will never be lonely. So if you would like to be part of that safe community, uh, just message me, and or you can look up. It's a public group. It's called Finding Your Inner Felicity, and that's a safe space, a community space where we do not judge each other. We help each other attain our life's goals and finding our happiness, because happiness should be the only choice. So that's me signing off. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to be part of the group, then just message down below the video and I'll make sure that you have access to the group. And that's me signing off. Thanks, Arjinder. Thanks, Mohit. Thanks, Rebecca. Speak to you all later. Bye for now.